Bracers are one of the easiest ways to accessorize or add armor to almost any outfit. At Medieval Collectibles, we carry an incredible variety of arm bracers, including both leather and steel styles. Let's take a look at the different ways to wear bracers and many of the styles we offer. Many of our leather bracers have lacing along the back. This provides an adjustable fit. The leather cord is strung through the holes first, loosely, so that you can position it where you'd like it to sit on your arm. Then, pull the cord to tighten the bracer closer to your arm. Adjust the cord starting at the wrist and moving towards the elbow for the most uniform, comfortable fit. Tie a knot at the end to secure the fit. Other bracers secure with straps and buckles. Position the bracer on your arm, then pull the straps to the corresponding buckles and pin them in place through the holes in the strap. These bracers will have multiple holes to choose from. Make sure they are tight enough to stay on, but not too tight as to be uncomfortable. You can technically wear leather bracers over a bare arm or over a shirt sleeve, but you can add comfort and extra detail to your outfit by layering them over arm wraps or arming wear. Arm wraps can be great for when you don't want a ton of padding underneath your bracer, and they add a lot of visual detail. Leather bracers are perfect for characters that wear light armor and look great even when they're the only piece of armor in an outfit. Whether you're dressed as a barbarian, elven warrior, dragon tamer, or even just looking for an awesome accessory, we have a leather bracer to suit your style. Before we move on to steel bracers, we have to talk about arming wear. Arming wear, like these padded arm bracers, is basically a must-have for when you're wearing steel bracers. This keeps the metal from coming in direct contact with your skin and offers thicker protection than a shirt sleeve. Not only does this add comfort and safety, it also creates an authentic, detailed look. Knights in battle would definitely have been layering their steel over padding. So if you're going for a look that favors historical detail, don't forget your arming wear. After putting on your arming wear, you can then layer on your steel bracers. Most of our steel bracers secure with leather straps and buckles. If your steel bracers are made of 18 or 19 gauge steel, they can be slightly bent to better suit the shape of your arm. We have both blackened and polished steel bracers to choose from, in styles ranging from historical and versatile to statement-making bracers inspired by fantasy. If you're dressing up for a reenactment or LARP, you'll want to pay attention to your event or organization's rules when choosing what kind of bracers to wear. Whether you're putting together a Renaissance fair outfit, curating your LARP kit, or arming up for a reenactment, you'll be able to find the perfect bracers for you at Medieval Collectibles. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to the Medieval Collectibles channel to see more like it. As always, thanks for watching.